In today's video tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through how to share a YouTube video on Instagram story. So first things first, head over to your YouTube app. In this section, we must choose our preferred video of ours or any other content creator. Now what we need to do is click on a video. Now what we need to do is click on the share, and then we need to click on a copy. Once you copy the YouTube video link, alright, let's make double check. Let's go to the Instagram app. It might take a while. So right now, let's go to our profile in the bottom right. You can also do it by posting a picture here. Now what we need to do is go to the profile section and let's choose a post. Let's say I choose this one. Once you choose your preferred picture, go ahead and click airplane icon, then click on add to story. Here we must click on a sticker, then choose the link. In this section we must paste the YouTube link, and once done, click on done. Now as you can see, there is a YouTube clickable link. We can able to adjust its position by holding on it. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.